David, I live in North Richmond. We were having very high energy bills. I think we were around the $400 or $500 per month, which is pretty high for, you know, a family of 4. So that's when I started to consider a solar and battery setup for the home. I think I was I had an idea of what we wanted to get because we have a 3-phase home, so I was looking at the Sigenergy setup purely for the 3-phase backup side of it, but I still wasn't 100% sure on what exactly we needed to get. Jake talked me through what the best options were for our house and the direction of the house and the solar panels and everything like that. And from there we pretty much just agreed that that was what was best for our family to do at the time. And then yeah, install day the boys turned up and removed the old system to start with, installed the battery, and they cleaned up everything like immaculate back after in the garage and all that, so I was very pleased. How efficient the team was at working together and having everything installed. It was, watching them put the panels up was like, they were just doing a perfect loop and they all knew what they were doing. So yeah, it was cool to watch. I couldn't believe how quickly the battery just went up. Like, they just unboxed it, and it was longer to unbox it really than it was for them to put it up. And yeah, just watching, because I'm an electrician myself, so I don't really know a lot about solar. So I was just watching them install the gateway and stuff like that. Was pretty interesting for me too. So they explained everything to me well, showed me everything I needed to know in the app and how it all operates and everything like that. So it was pretty good. It was pretty easy to navigate as well. I was quite surprised. So we got 19 kilowatts of panels. We've got a 48 kilowatt hour battery and a 15 kilowatt inverter. Yeah, we went on Amber straight away, and it was over a weekend. I think we signed up, and it was up and running within 2 days. At the moment, I think we're nearly 6 months in, and we're probably around $1,000 to $1,100 credit. And on a normal sort of day, we're making $5 to $10. And then we've had a few days where it's $120 to $130 a day. Those energy spikes. We haven't had any days where it might have only cost 20 cents or something like that where it's rained for 3 or 4 days in a row. But even on those days, we're still producing some solar. So it's enough to cover what is needed majority of the time. There's only been a few times where if it knows it wants to sell in the night and it's a bit overcast, it will start to import where we're in the demand window on our tariff, so it's not desirable to be importing at that time. I think within the first few weeks it had learned pretty well what we're doing. So it's, yeah, probably the first week or two I was manually going in and changing. I'm like, no, don't do that. But then I realized if it spends 10 cents to import, like, it's not that big of a deal really. You just let it do what it wants to do and off it goes. We're probably, I think I just had a look before, in the last 30 days we're $250 in credit. So yeah, some months are $100 a month, some are $250. Like, any credit's good, so it's better than a bill. Yeah, I've already been recommending to a lot of people. So my main reason was you guys seem like the most professional and largest company that's probably the most trusted in our area. So that was my main reason for that choice. It's probably been the best choice we've made for the house, especially the bills and just how it all works. It's really easy. Don't have to worry about paying a bill anymore. It's the best part about it.